Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see steps on Ultrahuman ring. Okay, so right here, first you will need to open up your app and then scroll down a little bit on your home screen where you see this core metrics movement and total calories and total steps. Now what you need to do is click on it and then scroll down a little bit where you will see activity and then steps. So click again on that, and here you will see how many steps did you do in a day, week, month, year. This displays a bar graph showing your historical step trends and flags your highest activity days. Um, So yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.